Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to convert 3 rows into 1 in Google Sheet step by step. Method 1 transpose, method 2 array formula, method 3 query. Example, use method 1 transpose, press Ctrl C, click anywhere, equal, press Ctrl V, see this transpose B2 B4, press enter. Again apply method 2 array formula transpose B2 B7, press Ctrl C, click anywhere, equal, press Ctrl V, see this again array formula transpose B2 B7, press enter and apply method 3 equal query A2 C7, select A, press enter. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.